have a question for you as we go into this next week. For me, it's my first week back after a summer break, going back to teaching. Ask yourself, where do you want to be next year at this time? If the answer is making more money, having the freedom to travel, to do all the things that you want to do to support your family, I have the answer for you. You can get in by the end of the month and start earning. It is now the 25th of August. Could be set up and going by September 1st, ready to earn 100% commission, have your own business. It truly is remarkable. It's in my mind already. I will be done teaching next year. I'm doing all the things that I need to do to take a step and change my life. And you can too. Whether you're at home and you're looking for more income, whether you are looking to get out of your 9-to-5, whether you're looking to retire, this is for anybody who needs extra income, wants to learn valuable digital marketing skills and have your own business. Step-by-step training, no tech involved, no MLM, 100% profit, one-time fee, absolutely nothing else. This is for you. Comment ready and I'd love to show you how.